Can you imagine a COVID-19 test as easy as 1, 2, 3? 1. Order your kit. 2. Collect your sample. 3. Get on with your life. Here at Beechtree, we believe that COVID-19 testing should be this quick and easy. Whether you are traveling or want to test for personal reasons, we can provide you with the results you need in record time from the comfort of your home. You can order a single test kit or a combo with 3 kits. This is best if you're traveling and need to test before you leave, during your trip, and again before you return home. It's also great to have extra kits on hand for a future event. When your kits arrive, you'll use your phone to scan the QR code or follow the link to complete your patient registration, collect your sample, and send it back to Beechtree. Your return box is even pre-labeled for return to us, so all you need to do is drop it off at your nearest UPS store. You'll receive a message from Beechtree when your sample is received, and you can expect your results in the following 24 hours. For more information about our test and to review the fact sheet for patients, please visit our website at btmolecular.com or call 801-893-2773. Beechtree Molecular, we are here to provide great service and accurate COVID-19 results so you can get on with your life.